I see a shadow on my stage. And so, no matter how you measure, it's 6 more weeks of winter weather.
Punxsutawney Phil is just like never impressed. His reaction is always the same, regardless of what we did not want to hear on this Groundhog Day. Phil saw his shadow, and he's predicting 6 more weeks of winter. We'll see what our meteorologists say about that. One of his chief rival, the Buckeye Chuck up in Ohio, also poked his head out of his burrow, and he agreed, seeing his shadow and saying winter is going to stick around. It's not just rodents. Connecticut's Scramble the Duck also made it an early morning to make his prediction. And yep, winter is not over. I didn't even know, I'd never heard of the duck before. One rebel, Staten Island Chuck, a third groundhog, he greeted the day predicting we'll get an early spring. So I guess we'll see who's correct. Or what is correct? So we are still waiting for Texas's own BK Bob, the armadillo, to weigh in. Wonder if he'll even up the odds, maybe going for an early spring. I guess we'll see. Mariel, I know you probably, after all those years of school, are really impressed that a rodent, I'm not even sure what they're classified as, can come out and predict the weather. What are your thoughts about this?
You know, this is the one time of the year where I just kind of sit back, kick my feet up, let them do my job. I'm kidding. No. So we were talking, Phil's stats, not great, only 40% accuracy. Your local meteorology team, much, much higher percentage of.
Okay, give me a high five on that.
Yes.
We're gonna trust
Take
the expert.
That, Phil. But I thought I would do my own prediction.
All right, let's hear it.
Okay, so yes, we know that we have winter today. I just showed you radar. I'll get to that, but let's keep having fun with Groundhog Day. Take a look at this. This is the temperature forecast for the next 3 months, so February, March, April, and it says above normal. You see that?
Yes.
So that is not more winter. It's actually more so an early spring for us. And not only that, but it also looks drier than normal for our western counties. And again, this is for the next 3 months. And this is, I do have to, it's the, just an outlook, okay? So take that with a grain of salt. Of course, we'll still have some cold weather. We're entering the month of February. Of course, it's still going to be on the cool side, but trending warmer and drier than normal over the next few months.